Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically generate captions using the caption template. This is a new feature, just makes editing a lot easier. Select your video. I'm just going to select this video of me talking, go to captions and go to the caption templates. This is a new feature. There are some pro ones, but you can use the non-pro ones like these ones. There's glow, there's word like this one, there's basic, and there is the frame one, which I'm going to use. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to, can I not auto generate captions? I'm just going to generate it here first. And you're just going to generate the captions, and now you will use, well, the caption will look like this. And that is it. To change it, I think you're just going to select it, and it's going to generate by selecting the auto generate captions. So if you want to change it, select this one and auto generate captions if you want to change it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.